I will show you how can beginner create AI spokesperson video using tool called AI Tube Star. Everything is very simple. In this video, I will show you how to choose an AI person, add text, add voice, and publish your video with no camera, no microphone, no editing skills. After you log in, you will see the main page. Everything is clear and easy to understand. You don't need to download anything. All the tools are already there. First, choose AI spokesperson. There is already made AI people talk for you. You can use them for news video, explainer video, or freelancer YouTube channel, or use it for affiliate marketing. Just pick one that tool good you and move on. Now, added the text that's the AI will speak. You can write your own text or you can let AI write for you. If you are a beginner, I recommend to use AI option. It saves time and makes things easy. Next, we choose voice. There are many natural sound voices. You don't need microphone, just click in the voice you like it. The AI will speak your text for you. Now you can make small change. You can change the background, add the text style or the layout. Everything is works with simple clicks. No editing, no experience needed. You can create shorts video or YouTube, Instagram Shorts, TikTok, or a long video for YouTube. Just choose the format you want. When your video is ready, click Publish. AI Star can help you to add a title and description and upload the video on YouTube. This makes things much easier, especially for beginner. This is perfect if you don't want to show your face, you're new on YouTube, or you want a simple way to create video with AI. You can use it for news video, learning video, or daily content. AI Star, it's one-time payment tools. There are no monthly fees. If you want to check out, I leave the link in the description. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you the next one.